Hey there, it's Mike Curry from Genesis Halifax, and I just wanted to give a quick rundown on this 2018 demo G80 Ultimate. And why do they call it Ultimate? Well, you're going to see why as we take a walk around here. For starters, I'm just going to show you in this beautiful luxury car, we have a V8 engine. Just going to close the hood, hand back on that for you. And as we take a walk around here, this vehicle has 12,600 kilometers on it and offers with it huge savings, about $15,000 off, just over, but you still get all the Genesis luxury features, which a big thing of course with Genesis is the service. And that's where you get 5 years of concierge service, and we come to you for everything, not just for the test drive and the purchase, but for the maintenance and everything overall. Just take a look at the back here, the back seat. Of course, you got all the luxury features you'd expect in a high-end luxury car. And as we walk around here and just look at all that open wood grain, just gonna take a pan back here. Take a look, huge trunk space, electronic of course. Just take a walk around here a little bit more, show you the other side of the back seat, and close that up, and then show you a little bit on the inside here. This is just an outside quick perusal, so I don't want to get too detailed. And then we're just going to pan back here, just so you can get a better look at this vehicle. So if you're looking to get into a luxury vehicle for an extra special price, here at Genesis Halifax, we have this vehicle for you. And I think it probably is your time, and you probably deserve to own and drive a luxury car like this and get treated the way we think all luxury car clients should be treated. And that's with full concierge service after the sale, with the sale. So maintenance, everything is all included in this vehicle. So if you have any questions, make sure to look below in the description, get in touch with us.